Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is lesson 6, The Spider and the Fly. The poem is written by Mary Howitt. It was an English love poet and author of the famous poem The Spider and the Fly. Mary was educated at home and read widely. She commenced writing verses at an early age. The name suggests the main characters of this poem are the spider and the fly. These are the two main characters of this poem. Now let us see the new words of this poem. The first word given is parlor. Here parlor means sitting room, drawing room as you say, where you make your guests sit. यहाँ पार्लर का मतलब जैसे पार्लर्स होते हैं ब्यूटी पार्लर, वो पार्लर नहीं है. यहाँ पार्लर का मतलब है ड्राइंग रूम. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज वाइंडिंग. दैट मीन्स ट्विस्टिंग. दिस यू कैन लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. वाइंडिंग स्टेयर्स मीन्स द स्टेयर्स विच आर ट्विस्टेड, ऐसे राउंड घूमी हुई सीढ़ियाँ. थर्ड वर्ड इज गॉजी. गॉजी मीन्स थिन एंड फाइन लाइक मेश. मीन्स बहुत ही पतली जाली की तरह. यू कैन लुक एट दिस पिक्चर एंड understand this. Next word is crest. Crest means crown, which you see on the head of peacock. Like that crown is called crest. On the head of fly also we find such crest. It is like a little raised part, not similar to peacock but it is little raised. थोड़ा ऊंचा उठा हुआ part होता है. Next word is willy. Willy means cunning. Next is flattering. Flattering means praising someone in a false manner. False manner means झूठी तारीफ करना is flattering. Flitting means flying. Aloft means high up, ऊंचा उठना. Dismal, dark and sad. Will you walk into my parlor? Said the spider to the fly. This the prettiest little parlor that ever you did spy. The way into my parlor is up a winding stair, and I have many pretty things to show when you are there. Oh, no, no, said the little fly, to ask me is in vain, for who goes up your winding stair can never be seen come down again. Now first of all you will underline the words which I am going to tell you. See, the first word is tis. This is short form of it is. Next is spy. Spy means seen, देखा हुआ. Next word is vain. Vain means useless. Then you can see here N-E'-E-R. This is short of never. You will pronounce it as never. Here the spider is telling the fly to come and walk into his parlor. Walk into means come inside his parlor. And then he explains how his parlor looks like. He says that it is the prettiest little parlor that the fly must have ever seen. जैसा कि फ्लाई ने कभी देखा ना हो, इतनी प्रिटी, इतनी खूबसूरत जगह उसकी पार्लर है. The way into my parlor is up a winding stair. So how one will reach through the parlor? By walking on the winding stair. I have shown you the picture of winding stair. ऐसी सीढ़ियों के रास्ते पर चलकर वो पार्लर तक पहुँचेंगे. And I have many pretty things to show when you are there. The spider tells the fly that when you will come to my parlor, I will show you many pretty things, beautiful things that I have kept there. Oh, no, no, said the little fly. So the fly refuses to come and visit the parlor. The fly says, no, no, it is useless to ask me. I will never come to your parlor because I have heard that whoever goes inside your parlor never comes back. We will study the poem up till here. Your work is to learn the new words and read the first para carefully and try to understand the meaning with the help of the video.